Hi, this is John with WTI, and I just recently got my first car, and I always try to keep my spaces smelling nice and just being clean overall. And this is where this Little Trees car aromatizer comes into place. This guy here just smells awesome, and he just goes and he's really powerful. It stays in the car, and the smell is just so nice. It gives you this minty feeling, but at the same time has a great fragrance that is going to neutralize any bad odor. Of course, you're going to keep your car clean, or you want to keep your car clean all the time. But if you're maybe eating inside or if you're doing anything, you want your car to smell really nice. So whenever you're trying to give a ride to somebody, they're going to actually complement the smell of your car. So if you really want to take your car smell at the other level to a higher level, but at the same time just trying to be subtle because you just hang this around and it's just nice. This is a really good choice. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.